some of them are okay. So it's okay.
Scorpios are the hardest
You can
class.
find
They're
some
like
good
almost.
I hate Capricorn.
Oh my God, she's so beautiful.
But like,
I don't understand.
they're different.
Hey, my name's Matthew.
I gotta go to class.
Field like kind of towards the right. Okay. Out
Okay.
this back door. Back door. Back door.
Okay.
Back door. Back door.
Ow, I fell and I can't get up.
Are you okay?
No, I hurt my ankle.
I've got you. So, you know, I think I've changed my mind about what I want to do after college.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Well, I think I want to be a superhero. Well, not anything like Batman or Spider-Man, something cooler. I think I want to be a Franklin firefighter because, you know, they're the real heroes. They're out saving lives every day. I believe the public is just so misinformed. You know, I think a lot of fire deaths can be prevented. There's nearly 3,000 every year, and 60% of them are because either their smoke alarm didn't work or they didn't have one. We can prevent all of this. I mean, nobody knows that you're supposed to check them every month, replace the batteries once a year, and replace them every 10 years. Some people just have like one in their house, but you need one in all the bedrooms and outside of the bedrooms. So, you know, there's nothing more I'd want to do. Saving lives.